Hello, now we are live on YouTube. We will soon be live on other platform too. Setting up social stream Ninja, so could um, I could watch the chat stream from off the platform. So on on YouTube, I have set up two streams, one for desktop and one for mobile, and because of that, I need two separate chat stream for YouTube, and it look like it is working well. Yep. Next up, I'm gonna go live on other platform like Instagram. Ne- Next one is Kick. Next one is Facebook. Then Twitch. And then finally TikTok. TikTok is doing very good in bringing viewers at the beginning of their stream. So I always want to start TikTok last, um, because it's at the very first moment. Once you go live on TikTok, things go pretty wild. Mm. And for TikTok, like we need to use their live studio application in order to go live, and that application is often cause problem with the computer, and the app itself sometimes crash. So there's many kind of unexpected result with it, and yeah, and right now, um, the TikTok studio is acting up. I don't know why. It's completely black, and I cannot switch to TikTok live. That's crazy. Okay, so look like we are not we will not be able to go live on TikTok today. The TikTok Live Studio app doesn't work at all. I gotta close it, restart two times already, and it's still not working. I still won't be able to switch to TikTok, and then the app is completely blank. And look like my mouse is not working too. Is that because of Social Stream Ninja clashed with TikTok or what? Let me close Social Stream Ninja and see if that solve the problem. Alright, start TikTok one more time. No, it's not gonna work. Alright, so we're gonna go live without TikTok today. Um, activate selected. Hello, hello. What's up, person guy? What's up? What's up? All right, cool. All right, cool. Let me open the social stream chat again, and I think we are good to go. And today I want to talk about um, the Meta Horizon $500 million fund that has just announced by Meta like a week ago. So Dr. Richard Boulanger has sent me the, an email forwarding from like obviously as a promotion running um, promotion email and sent from Meta. So today I want to take a look at that to see what the program is and maybe exploring what is Meta Horizon World like studio desktop version and what it can do, and maybe we could make something interesting out of that. So yeah, and I hope it will be related to what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is an app called Seasell Meta, um, and you can go to this URL there .co/effortless. So this is my personal website. From here, you could. I think it's something wrong with the internet connection. But basically from here, you will learn about the Seasell Meta application. Um, yep. So let's go to hi. Um, yeah, TTV, Madam Design, hi. Let me turn on a notification so once if there's any chat, I will be notified. Cool. Let's take a look at the Meta Horizon World um, Creator Partner Program, something program that, and this one is like $500 million program. Meta new 500 million creator fund for Meta Horizon World. Meta is reportedly rethinking its VR strategy. Um, I want to take it from the source, which is the meta.com site. Is it meta.com? So I read the news from email, and I hope that the program is also published on the web. Um, Million Creative Fund. It's called Creative Fund. Uh, so doesn't look like it's published on the web. Empowering Meta Horizon creator with a new $500 million fund and advanced tool. February 20th, so a week ago. So it's a week ago, and what it says here: we committed to help everyone building for Horizon 5. So today we're excited to announce new 500 million creator fund alongside the early access release of Meta Horizon World Desktop Editor. So they released this editor alongside with this fund. Yeah, after this, we'll explore this Horizon World Desktop Editor and see what it can do. From lightweight multiplayer experience to epic adventure and AAA titles, the Meta Horizon platform, home to Vastware, uh, invested in a helping developer also right and size for successful platform. Launch of 3S. Um, yeah, and while premium games remain vital, entertainment is also free to play and mobile content are increasingly appealing to a new cohort of younger audience. Let me zoom in so people on phone could see it clearer. Yeah. Mobile content, free to play mobile content. Why mobile content? We should expecting something to do with VR, not so, but they are gearing toward mobile content. Hmm. Does that mean not many people playing VR and they want to target the people on phone as well? So, okay. By investing in mobile content, we can reach a lot of new people who don't yet own a Meta Quest headset and ultimately grow on the pie for everyone. That's why, as part of 50 million creator fund for creator of mobile and MR worlds, we are now seeing our first creator competition of the year. So, with a focus on mobile, hmm, I was hope they will focus on VR and mixed reality instead. But now they are focusing on mobile, and obviously, they're announcing the first creator competition of the year, which means there will be more competitions, and this 50 million fund will be split into smaller, uh, competition rounds. Introducing the 50 million Meta Horizon Creator Fund. There's never been a better time to build for Horizon or for a consumer to jump in and explore. With the expansion to mobile, members of MR community, mixed reality community, can now play with their friends with or without headset. It's good that people with and without the headset could play together. Um, but would mean that it will be more work for the developer to actually make it happen for both um, mobile and virtual reality, mixed reality, because it's like two different platform, two different work. So that there will be more work for them. That's great for consumer who want to share what they love with others because now they are easily can. It's great for creator because it means your work can reach an expanded market. And with our new 50 million creator fund, you now have an opportunity to build your business. Now any creator of mobile and ML world in eligible country can earn through our revamped Meta Horizon Creator Program. So only in eligible countries. Not sure what are the eligible countries. Um, Obviously the U.S. I don't know how about other, but that's one link we should take a look at. This is another link we should take a look at. Each month will pay out bonuses from the creator fund to to the maker of fun and engaging mobile and mixed reality world. Bonuses will be tied to world contribution to the overall ecosystem across time spent, retention, and in-world purchases. So there are a variety of different ways for creators to maximize their earnings. So bonus will tie to the contribution to overall ecosystem. So which mean um, I think whatever app could could attract more people, make more money to Meta will get more bonus. New creator competition for 2025. Um, we are building off the success of 24 a Meta Horizon creator competition, which awarded a total of 500,000. Okay, so in 2024 they already um, organized kind of same, maybe same type of competition, and it is 500,000 worth of prize to the creator of 20 words. So for 20 words, so on average, it's like 25,000 for each word. By launching a series of competitions for members of Meta Horizon Creative Program in 2025 to encourage a wide variety of world building. First up, we're launching a 1 million mobile focused competition on March 11th, so 2 weeks from now. 1 million mobile focused. As MR enthusiasts pull their friends into join the games and experience they love by via Horizon mobile app or the web. Okay, so which means it can be played on mobile and web as well. And those friends may stick with the ecosystem and seek out more content that resonate with them and ultimately experiencing that all that mixed reality has to offer. This year, we're investing in even more opportunity for creators to reach the roughly 3.3 billion active users across our apps, including Horizon and Facebook. So 3.3 billion users, including Facebook. So basically, they will attract people from Facebook to Horizon World as well, not only for people who have the headsets. And learn more about the competition and sign up at Meta Horizon Creator Program to participate. In addition to newly formed Creator Fund and this year's series of creator competition, members of Meta Horizon Creator Program will continue to be able to earn more by selling digital items and experiencing as in as in-world purchases, which will be soon available to even more players starting February 24th, and as we expand Horizon economy to 18 additional country. Um, okay, empowering creators to build immersive mobile and mixed reality worlds with access to advanced tools. We also investing heavily to develop tools that enable and empower creators to build engaging worlds on mobile and mixed reality. Starting today, any creator aged 13 plus in a country where Horizon Worlds is available can download new desktop editor in early access to start building. So this desktop edition is still in early access. The desktop editor maps to traditional 2D and 3D apps development workflow, letting you build new world in your PC. It supports new features like custom model import or building high fidelity worlds, TypeScript support for complex game logic, and mobile optimization tool that let creators build more fun, interactive experience. Check out documentation. So basically, it looks to me like this um, Meta Horizon World Desktop Edition is like It's like a maybe a replacement alternative for Unity or Unreal Engine to make apps on mixed reality and also mobile and web. So it's a kind of cross-platform tool to make games, and it support TypeScript. So in the US, the desktop editor also includes generative AI tools like sound effect and ambient audio generation. Wow, that's interesting. And TypeScript generation, enabling creators to build works more efficiently. We're in the beginning stage of generative AI journey. We'll roll out new tools throughout the year. In meantime, check out our documentation to learn more. In 2024, we started testing this tool through our managed creator program. Creator who adopted them saw they could do a lot more and do it faster when building works. We continue to improve the desktop editor to introduce new tools and better support creators over time. And as we do, we look forward to working closely with creators to integrate feedback and continue to building our tooling together. We can't wait to see what you build. Now the Meta Horizon Creator Program available in the US, UK, Canada, only these three countries, and it expanding to day two. Okay, expanding Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Spain. So like New Zealand and Australia and Europe and Taiwan is the only Asian country um, that has a Meta Horizon Creator Program. In-word purchases and Meta credits currently available. It's the same, yeah, same list of country. Generative AI creators are currently only available in the US. So people in the US get early access to generative AI. That's, that's cool. Um, Let me see if we have any viewer in here. Okay. Well, let me go back to TikTok and see if we could run TikTok this time. Nah, it's completely black, as you see. Not sure why. Right, forget that. Let's keep going. Okay, so here Meta Horizon Creator Program. Join now to get ready for the creator competition started March 11 with 1 million in cash prize. Program benefit gain access to earning opportunity uh, for your creation. Have full resources, vibrant community, dedicated support, and more. Opportunity to earn cash, turn your creation into cash. Um, with access to monetization opportunity exclusive to program members, including monthly bonuses in word purchases, and competition prize depending on availability and eligibility. Creator community, educational content, technical support, product feedback, become a creator partner as you create successfully working world. Allowing you can level up and become partner in Meta Horizon Creator Program. To enroll, 18 plus, have an account in good standing, design supported country. Okay, so join. Um, Use another account. I'll go over here and log in. Yeah, I'm logging into the program. Um, Go to my inbox. It should be in to send the verification email over here. Use the code. Here's the login code. Login. Another route of confirmation. It needs to verify the phone as well. I don't get the phone verification. Where's the text? Two-factor authentication. I don't receive the code. Resend code. It doesn't seems to work. Try another method. Um, Zero recovery code. Recovery code for a Meta account. Incorrect login code. What? Alright, I'll be back. In the meantime, I'll play some music for you guys. This piece is fragments of forest composed by Vo Hoang Manh. It's generative music. Oops, I'm sorry, I got muted. I'm trying to log in into my Meta account, but it just doesn't work. Uh, I don't receive any code sent to my phone and enter one of your recovery codes. Hmm, where's my recovery code? I do have I do write down my recovery code here, but I'm not sure why none of them is working. Two-factor login code you enter is invalid. Why? Wrote it down here. Hmm. Man. Wow. SM, SMS doesn't work. Recovery code doesn't work. And I'm locked out. Mm, that's, that's really bad though. Let's see again. Meta developer login. Meta developer. Where is login? Login. Existing Meta account. Okay, it's login. Alright, so on another browser I already logged in. So maybe from here I could change my security setting, password and security, and hopefully I can change things. So password and security, two-factor authentication, additional methods, recovery codes, download codes. Um, so let me go back to here. So I'm gonna download the recovery code. So I want that to be visible to all of you. So that's weird. The recovery codes are totally empty. It's empty. Okay, I see. So I guess Meta has changed the way of uh, doing recovery code, and somehow they clear all of my recovery code, and now all of my previous recovery code doesn't work because I see the format of the code are different from what I had and the newly generated one. And that probably explain why I couldn't log in using the recovery code. Let me add another additional authentication method using Google authentication. Scan the QR code. Yep. And name this device Google Auth. Get the 6 digit from the app. Next, authentication is on. Let me add one more additional method. Uh, authentication app. Add another one. This time I'm gonna use Microsoft authentication. Yeah, just to be safe, I'm gonna. So this is a personal account. Scan the QR code. Yep, it's working. Next, I need to enter the code here. What? I'll name MS authentication. And enter the code 1. Alright. Now we are logged in. Let me try to log in again in Google, in Chrome. Shoot, what I'm doing. The recovery codes. Make sure that the recovery codes are working. So copy and paste. Your email password is incorrect. What? Password. Okay. Copy code. Next. Is it working? Yes, it is. Now we are logged in. And okay, join the Meta Horizon Creator Program. Get access to it. So and also and it asked me for something like account alias, account email, country of residence. Um, provide information about one of your top 1 to 3 published game world experience, including name, how it's performing, monthly average award, one ranking, anything else you'd like to share. Please list the name of most popular app you built, platform, awards, download. Um. Okay, so yeah, this part I could show you. Go back to share screen. So they ask for a country residence. List the name of most popular world experience you have built, and then list the name of most popular mobile app that way you build platform. Uh, which area of the workflow do you specialize in? Development, scripting, logic, testing, debugging, QA, design, art, production, other no. Which community do you identify with? So basically, in order to join this Meta Horizon creator program, you got to have experience in building web and mobile app. All right, let me feel the rest, and then we'll we'll see. I guess we'll need to wait for them um to approve in order. So not this is not for everyone. Um, I could choose one of our app that we have built. It's a mobile app. It's not a game, but it should have tons of um, user. I don't know exactly the number. So typically I'll go to sensor towers to get the numbers. Alright, so I guess I could put in here how your top 1 to 3 published game name. About 11,000 monthly download on mobile. Total more than 100 million users on all platform. About 11 monthly download on mobile. This is the name of mobile app we built. Um, OS Android. Provide information about the top 3, which will include the name and how it's performing. Top 1 to 3. Okay. What community do you identify with? Prefer not to close. Alright. I fill in all the needed information. You will, and they say thank you. You will receive an email from us soon, and we could start playing with it. Right, start learning. Welcome creators that create Meta Horizon World. You could use the desktop editor to create new world, adding objects, scripts, sounds, and more. Only the creator of the world a world can publish and unpublish the world, add and remove collaborators to build the world together, duplicate the world and everything in it. Delete the world when visiting Meta Horizon World as user. You always see the published version of the world. As a world creator, you can access both the published version and editable version of your world. When visiting a published world you own, you won't be able to edit. When editing a world, only people you invite to collaborate will be able to join you. Before started, create your first world. You will need to install the desktop editor. The desktop editor is main tool to create new world in Horizons. If you are interested in seeing what tools are available as creator, check out tools overview. Once you have the editor installed, pros, pros, proceed to the create the first world tutorial. This is the first of a two-part tutorial where you learn how to create a simple Horizon world game. You can also check out our betting cage tutorial, explore our documentation. Our, our documentation provide lots of information about features available to you when creating worlds and best practice to follow. Tutorial worlds create click here to explore tutorial world. Let's start. TypeScript VR creation. You also create in VR. Okay, using VR to create for web and mobile, making world available on mobile and web, enable users to access worlds from any device as a result and allow broader reach to published world. Samara Horizon World full body avatar. Samara Horizon will support full body avatar. Click here to learn more. Custom model import. To learn more about that, get ready to publish. When you're ready to publish, to share it with us, you can improve the performance and review safety, privacy guidelines, performance best practice, and tooling. Horizon will provide a lot of performance tooling and advice, and you can start by looking at memory limits in Horizon worlds, member only worlds. The only worlds are published worlds that can only select members that can join. Safety, privacy, save, optimize, and publish. The session contain topic on how save, optimize, publish your work. When you're ready to publish, click here to learn how to publish. Meta
Female
Horizon.
behavior says. Best view ers on streamber.com. Remove the
Okay.
space. HDVHAABT.
Again, that's interesting. All right. Stop beeping when there's a new message. What is this text to speech? Stop that text to speech. Community MetaQuest community Discord is the great way to meet people, see new worlds, and connect with other world creator. In the HW World Creator channel, member of Meta Horizon Creator Program, I invite you to join Meta Horizon Creator Forum, where they can connect and collaborate with other MHCP creators. Non-members still visit the forum and observe the conversation, but you need to enroll in the MHCP in order to see all the content. You own the intellectual property rights, things like copyright, trademark, in the content you create and share on Meta Horizon. However, to provide our services, we need you to give us some legal permission, known as the license, to use this content. All right, community Discord. Let's join that. Oh, invitations invalid. That's weird. So it's not. This link is not valid. Alright, let's go back from here. First, you will need to install the desktop editor. Join Meta Horizon Creator Program as a member. You gain access to monetize opportunity, include monthly based bonuses, include in-world purchases. Okay, we know all that. important desktop editor is early access. We need your feedback to report. We'll go to main menu and report a problem. Desktop editor is a game development environment for Meta Horizon World. It enables you to build worlds and scenes for people to play in, as well as allow you to add and modify. Oops, sorry. Uh, okay, so it's window based, and you can control it with just your keyboard and mouse, um, rather than to have a VR headset. Users made a Horizon World desktop and could create fun, engaging world around each user's data editor. You build your world with your keyboard and mouse rather than your VR headset. Once you finish, users to publish your worlds across mobile, mixed reality, and desktop. Again, it's kind of cross-platform tool. And make sure you join the Meta Horizon Creator Program to start monetizing your works. Get access to earning opportunity for creation, have full resources as well as private community, dedicated support, and more. Important use of Meta Horizon Works desktop editor is limited to person age 13 and above. Prerequisite: we need a Meta Horizon Works account. If you don't have one, then see this one for information. I have that one already. PC for development, desktop editor is not currently support for Linux or Mac OS, so only Windows. Um, IDE like Visual Studio, alright. But see, adding an IDE to desktop editor to add another is the default. Okay, adding IDE to desktop editor to add another third party. So basically, if we're not using Visual Studio but using like Cursor or Windsurf, we could do that too. Install the desktop editor, download it here. Um, so we need the MetaQuest link. I already have that. You already have built up the app. Ensure that the most recent version by running the repair option in the installer to update it. If you are prompts you to select device, skip this step. You don't need to link a device. All right. Install MetaQuest link, then open it. Click Store. Search for um, Meta Horizon World Desktop Early Access. Click on Meta Horizon World Desktop Early Access, then click Get. Run the desktop editor and start creating. Click Library under Apps Navigator to um, Horizon World Desktop Editor Early Access title, and hover over the desktop editor title and then press Start. On the creation homepage, click New World to create new words, like words that you already created. More resources to get started. Create your first web. If you have trouble running desktop edition, see troubleshooting, learn more. Okay, so basically it needs the MetaQuest link, and I already have the MetaQuest link here. And now go to store. Um, so they asked me to go to store and search for Meta Horizon World Desktop Editor Early Access. And here we go. Get, okay, 800 megabytes. We should have it soon. Um, All right. In the meantime, let's see another link here. This, if you are interested in see what tools are available to you as creator, check out this tool overview. Okay, this is tools overview. Um, Horizon World contains a lot of useful tools. Okay, you can create worlds using VR creation tools or PC creation tools. What is VR creation tools? All right. So they have the VR creation tool or PC creation tool. PC creation tool support cross-platform publishing. Okay, so PC creation tool can be published on mixed reality, mobile, and others, and offer significantly richer set of creation capability. PC environment provide a more efficient work building experience with example like workflow and powerful tools like desktop editor, custom modeling, or TypeScript scripting enable the creation of more immersive, interactive, and fun experience. The VR creation tools for Meta Horizon was a legacy tool. Okay, we strongly recommend moving your development process to the desktop editor and other PC creation tools. This topic introduces a few of creation tools, the desktop editor, the TypeScript, custom model import, and PC performance tools, and suite of generative AI creation tools. So desktop editor is the integrated game development environment for Horizon Worlds. It allows you to build worlds and scenes and to add and modify objects in your world. Desktop editor run on Windows and you can control it with keyboard and mouse rather than with VR headset. Note building a world in the desktop editor is similar to building game in Unity and it's easier than using the editor on your VR headset. Okay, so it's like a Unity alternative. The desktop editor allows you to create world, move camera through the world, shape gizmo, sounds, glider, such stuff as I create quest, leaderboard, okay, generate TypeScript code snippet by AI, generate sound effect with AI, view and preview word, backup the WordPress world. Using the desktop editor to build word can make it makes it easier to make change while the world's running. Update entity property values, write debug TypeScript to install and start the install here, get start from here. Here's TypeScript. They're talking about TypeScript. Horizon World TypeScript support give you a way to write script more efficiently using traditional programming processing tool. So basically, anyone who are doing web development with TypeScript or like using React, like React Native, could maybe I think it's easy to jump in and build Meta Horizon worlds. You can create new TypeScript assets from desktop editor TypeScript code in VS Code and then attach it to a component. Using TypeScript expand your development options and help you to add safety and security to your code. TypeScript is a strongly typed version of JavaScript. All right. So basically, it is like a Unity alternative, but it has some features tailored toward Meta Horizon. Like this one is interesting. Make changes while the world is running. So maybe it will help like reduce the iteration time and it integrate better with the MetaQuest headset so that yeah, the build time I expect it to be faster than Unity, and hope um, I hope we could get access to the hardware better, because I'm doing audio processing in with Unity and with real-time audio processing, real-time microphone processing. There's a problem with Unity, which is the latency. It adds like noticeable latency to microphone processing. So without anything added, Unity already introduced the latency to the microphone, and that's not good at all. Alright, custom model imports. The custom model import mode in the desktop editor allows you to always to fill your world with the objects born from imported complex 3D model. Create using your favorite create 3D creation tool. The mirror has horizon where you refer to for the resulting world has a custom model world. You can find your important asset in your personal asset library. The following image shows example what a complex 3D object spawned from an imported asset look like. In this case, automatic rifle. Was it? No, it's a chair. Or is that a rifle? No, that's a chair, I think. A custom 3 model is composed of multiple files, and you need to specify all of them while you import. This include FBX, um, one or more PNG. They can contain texture that map onto the 3D model. Able to create your own static lighting collision model to get started. Clear NPC. Non-player character is a computer control character in Horizon Worlds. This is contrast to user control avatar. NPC creators often add NPC to their worlds for a variety of purposes, include provide information of your quest to the player, to sell goods and services, to engage the player in a conversation, to serve enemies and obstacles for player to overcome, to add to the game atmosphere and immersion. NPC can range from simple scripted characters to complex AI-driven characteristics that can learn and adapt to player action. There are 5 types of NPC characters that can spawn into your scene: utility, storyteller, antagonist, and ally type of NPC. Exhibit behaviors that are controlled with an AI script. The 5th type, environmental, do not have AI behavior. The 4 behavior act in the following way: utility, perform basic functions to move a narrative or game experience forward. For example, quest lines, by selling and trading items, or directing the players to do something. Utility NPC can move around an environment and identify specific things. Utility NPC support scripting. Storyteller, conversationally driven storyteller NPC operate within specific guidelines to move a narrative forward, but with a comprehensive world understanding context. Antagonist are basically enemy NPC character. You can add AI control to it. Ally are friends. Um, ally character can operate on something unseen. They can follow player, can hide from player. Performance tools, real-time performance metric, and server-side tracing can help creator. Okay, asset performance via browser. You can access performance tool via browser while visiting your world. Okay, that's good. The performance panel display a real-time view of all currently selected metric. You can select which metric to display. In the performance panel, you can also set a target number of each metric. The performance panel also supports scrubbing and tracing. With scrubbing, you can review data that has recently appeared in the performance panel, approximately 30 seconds of data in detail. With tracing, you can capture performance data to your in Perfecto. Perfecto is a third-party tool. All right. Generative AI creation tools. Desktop editor features a suite of generative AI creation tools that assist you in generating script code, audio samples, mass metadata, and texture. Wow, mass metadata and texture. Interesting. I've been using Blockade Lab Skybox AI to generate words, but like, hopeful. I don't know, like, if this is better because it can generate mass and data, mass metadata. I'm not sure is that does that mean it can generate it mesh like 3D mesh or not. Generative AI creation code tool where creator can struggle when learning TypeScript and when trying to convert Horizon World concept into TypeScript code. Luckily, generative AI creation tool is here to help. So it's the tool will play a chat as simple as having a back and forth real time conversation with someone. In this case, it's someone that just happened to be a large language model. Yeah, cool. So it's like Copilot and Cursor and Windsurf built in into TypeScript. I mean, it built into Meta Horizon World that have you to write TypeScript. Has two models available, Llama and Specialist. The Llama model uh, works well for quick question and generate information. The Specialist is trained on TypeScript and Meta Horizon World API. Cool. So it's specifically trained for Meta Horizon World. It can generate scripts and answer questions about scripting and TypeScript. The Specialist model works well as a personal tutor to learn TypeScript from yourself with TypeScript API. Generative AI creation audio tool assists in audio creation process, making it simple matter of clicking a few buttons and adding resulting audio. The generative AI creation tool provide um, two audio generation models, sound effect and ambient audio generation. Sound effect generation is useful when attempting to create short audio clip. Ambient used for when generating longer background track. You can select either select sound based on example prompts, create your own custom prompts, and see what sounds can come up with. Once you have that perfect sound, you can use it to create audio assets for your world. Generative AI asset metadata tool can create metadata for mesh asset in the world. This will have you better manage and access your 3D model asset. It can generate title, description, and text for mesh data, a mesh asset. You can accept and apply generated title and description for you and the generated tag. Okay, so it's not generate the it doesn't generate the mesh itself, but the metadata. Generative AI texture generation tool helps you generate texture for your objects and can improve your flexibility and speed. You can generate texture for 3D object, assign and generate texture to a mesh, save the texture both onto your local drive and onto your asset library, create texture to work with object in the wild. Or next, learn to create your first world and learn about the desktop editor with introduction to desktop editor. Join the creator program. Okay, So the AI tools are interesting. It could generate code, it could generate metadata for assets, it could generate sound effect and ambient sounds. It could generate texture for mesh, and I'm seeing what they are getting at. So in the future, they probably add the ability to create the 3D mesh. Yeah, and that will be huge. All right, take a 5 minutes break, and then we'll be back. Cool. Let me play some music again. Again, this is Fragments of Forest composed by Yoon Park. Hello, how are you?
rifle, pedestal,
Oh shit, I was muting all the time. No way, I was muted all the time. So you guys couldn't hear me. WPN indicator BR. Okay, let's remove this. Can I delete it? Remove, remove. Add new 3D model, import, and it is this one. Import. Holy shit, I was muted all the time. I didn't know. Oh, hello, Emily. Hello, Whitewell. Strange that I don't receive message from Kick. Activate source. Right. Press activate source every time. Activate source. Activate source. Activate source. Wow, so so in Social Stream Ninja I need to activate source in order to get the to have the chat pop up in here. So I missed some of your chats. Okay. Game. Okay, and I missed some of your chats. Sorry about that. Alright, cool. Go back. What? Where am I? Okay. So this one I expect refill ABR from material. What? I remember last time it didn't ask us for that. Alright. Validation grading the offset period visual. Okay. In the import model, imports after import, in the hierarchy, rename a single block object to pedestal. Select position by dragging. You can place the position anywhere on the ground. Note these behaviors in working. You might have forgotten to enable preserve offset pivots. You can enable this behavior by removing the asset from the desktop and then re-importing at the rightful asset. Okay. Yep. So it asked me to disable the preserve offset pivots for the rifle and select the asset file to import. So for this one, we import all of the textures, not just one, but all. In the import model, click import, drag this rifle to scene and place it upon the pedestal. If you have any difficulty positioning the rifle, remember that you can always use the orange surface snapping manipulator to move the object anywhere along the ground. You can activate it by pressing W. Optionally, Control G lets you group the pedestal and rifle. Really? The W key? I thought the W key is for moving object, it's not for snapping. In the hierarchy, rename the AWC something for to rifle. Your hierarchy should now look like my spawn, my first word, the rifle, um, pedestal. Okay, is the same. It is on the same hierarchy level as my first word. Oh, um, I forgot to turn on the point to focus that you will see the my mouse better. Hmm, is the pointer focus running? Pointer focus. I'm not sure if it's working or not. No. Huh. Task manager. Let's search for pointer. It doesn't work at all. Alright. So let me remove this one and import it again. Add new 3D model. And this time turn off the preserve offset pivots because we have more than one mesh. And then select all of these. Open. When you import through model hierarchies can have flan place in the group. Okay. It's importing, and then there's a clock over here as access processing. Alright. Please check again soon. Um what is the one I would want us to do? Grab the single block to the scene, and yep, that's a single block. Shoot, yeah, that's a mistake. So here's the problem. If you if you rename an object, there's no way to undo it. That's the problem. And what do we call this one's pedestal? Maybe pedestal. And then snap to the ground. Move it around. I don't get that snap to ground function. What's that for? Because you can still move it around, like up and down off the surface. Oh, okay, it's still on the surface. Right. And then grab the rifle, put it on top, and rename it to rifle. Rifle. Hmm. Oh, what? The rifle is over there. So, um, what's that? Someone is. Okay. Delete this message. Delete this message. What's the rifle? There's a mismatch between its transform anchor here and the rifle itself. So, um, that's pretty weird, right? Places pump. Hmm. So the problem is the position of the rifle is not at where it's transformed. So I guess let's copy position and maybe paste. That will make it move to the right place. May no. So then paste the position. Uh, no, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so I get it. So for some reason, the rifle itself, they are grouped under this rifle group, and the position of the rifle group is way off. So I think I'm gonna ungroup it, unparent, cannot modify the hierarchy asset template instantly edit. What? Please edit the template definition to do this. What does that mean? Um, unparent child object. Yeah. So it's here. Yeah, so I group this and then create a new parent and remove the old rifle parent and rename this new one. So that way the parents and the children are in the correct position, same position, right? So, and now we could move We should, yes, all the time. If you accidentally rename it, there's no way to go back. So copy. No, I made a mistake. I should copy the position, not paste it. So be very, uh, be very careful when you do things in Horizon Worlds, because sometimes there's no way for you to go back, and everything is saved automatically. That's that's nice, but sometimes not so nice if you messed up and the undo function just doesn't work. Mm, so the rifle is there. Snap to surface. Move it. What? Where is it? Where does it go? The snap to surface function. I don't get it. Supposed to snap on this one. Huh? It's way off. When I move it here, wow, it's so annoying, so difficult to actually put this rifle on top of the stone. Okay, look like it's in the correct position. Hope so. The next thing, make the rifle grabbable. In this session, you learn how to make the rifle grabbable by the avatar. Select the rifle object from hierarchy in the property panel. Set the following two properties values. Motion equal interactive, and interaction is grabbable. Pretty easy. Motion is interactive. No. Let's go back to none because we want the whole rifle grip to be grabbable. So interactive and then grabbable. So note the interaction property appears only after you set the motion values to interactive. Try the new world. Enter play mode. To pick it up, press E. The way the avatar holds the rifle looks somewhat awkward, but don't worry. Fix that soon. Exit preview by escape twice. Fix the way the avatar holds onto the rifle with the rifle object selected in hierarchy. In the property panel, scroll down to more and enable both use VR grab anchor and use WXS grab anchor. What does that mean? Okay, WHWSX grab anchor. What is I have no idea. Oh right, maybe Horizon World XS something. HSW XW? No? XW SXS. Alright. Let's play. Move around. I guess this time. Why did I put the rifle over here? Oh, press shift will make it run faster. Then E to grab it. Alright. So it's working. What is that? R F X R. What does it do? F doesn't do anything. X withdraw. R and B is like left. Oh, I changed to somewhere else. Thiên Nhi đổi à? Tự nhiên ba đổi này. Ba thành người khác ra.
Rồi. Bà thích cái cũ hay cái này? Bà thích cái cũ hay cái này?
Cái nào cũng được hết. Okay, so F and X doesn't do anything. Right, escape, get out that. Go back to the rifle. And go down to more. Use via grab anchor. And use per hand grab anchor. And use HWXS grab anchor. Set a pose to use when avatar holds onto the rifle with rifle selected in the hierarchy. Scroll down through the property list until you see avatar pose. Click the drop down menu beside it and select rifle. Alright, so which means we could change the pose of the avatar. Where does it set the pose? With the rifle selected, scroll down through the property list. Let's see, avatar pose. This would be rifle. So what do they have? They have default pistol, shotgun, RPG, sword, torch, shield, fishing, carry light, carry heavy. Run again. Let's find our rifle. Let's run over here and then pick it up. Okay, perfect.
Bà cũng có giúp bà ổng dèo trên cây không? Cũng...
Bây giờ mình có khẩu súng.
Cái khẩu súng bán là sẽ bán được.
Bạn được cầm thôi. Để bạn publish này.
Cũng làm cho bà trèo trên cây.
Okay, let's preview action on the phone. Rồi đi thêm khẩu súng đi.
Okay.
Đi thêm khẩu súng này.
Khẩu súng đâu? Bà dỡ cái khẩu súng hả?
Add a hello world script. Now you have a rifle that can pick up, move around, but it still doesn't do anything. This section you can make something can happen when you fire the rifle. You write code that prints hello world in the console whenever you fire the rifle. Open the script panel by clicking script panel, drop down, script appear, create a new script by clicking the plus, name it as shoot. It takes a second for the script to appear after you input the name. Open the script in VS Code, click on the menu icon next to the script name and open in external editor. Currently your script can only be opened in the aforementioned way from the top down menu. The script opened in VS Code in rifle called shoot.ts. It should contain boilerplate code. Import everything as HC from Horizon Core. Class should wanna extend the Horizon component type of should. Static props definition empty. The start HG component register should. The start function is called whenever the entity that starts a script component starts a script. It created as its point though. You haven't attached a script component to an entity. The following debug statement to the start console log. Alright, save the script and you press save. Control S. The edit desktop editor attach the script component to the rifle entity. Select the rifle entity from hierarchy in the program panel. Scroll down to script and attach the script. I select shoot. So shoot is a script and this shoot is a class.
Bà ơi, bà đưa cho một cái head là nó ở xung quanh đâu?
Cái gì?
Bà đưa cho cái head này ở xung quanh đâu?
Cái head là cái gì?
Cái súng mà.
Hint.
Đấy.
Trả lời ở ngoài này được, ở trong mà.
Ok, đây con chào vào cho.
Task compilation is completed successful. Refine your script, but you want the instruction to occur when you pull the trigger, not simply when the rifle is created. This session you will revise script to print a message when you pull the trigger.
Head là nó ở xung quanh đâu?
Rifle is created.
Là xung quanh đâu? Cho head đưa cái xuống. Đưa cho head mà.
Đấy.
Ở đấy hả?
Gợi ý cho hint gì? Gợi ý. Replace the code and start function with following code. Disconnect code block event. Reactivate when the user pulls the trigger. This entity horizon code block events on trigger.
Okay.
Trên là cái cục đá.
Trên mấy cục đá kìa.
Trên một cục đá.
Ok. Đây con tự làm.
Save a script when editing your script. Error might appear in console. When this happens, you can clear the error message by clicking clear. Normally, you shouldn't see any error message on the console. If you do, though, try copy and pasting the code instead of typing it. Preview your work by clicking the play button. Walk over the rifle, grab it, fire the rifle several times, and click the A button on the screen. As you fire a rifle, notice a boom message appear in the console, and the solution by escape. Alright, so first off, we need to create a script, and by doing this, it's called shoot. And then create new script. Create shoot. Does it? Okay, it's working now. Click on it, it will trusty, so it will be safe in some kind of updated location. So trust the other trust, and then from here we say console log should component start, and then go back to the rifle itself. and we attach the script to it. So let's say in the property web behavior, visible, collidable, collision, layer everything, object overlay, motion, interactive interaction attributes, billboard, gameplay tags, physics has nothing more, collision event from nothing, from player, object tag, so on and so forth. Use grab lock, via grab anchor, HWXS, who can grab anyone, who can take from holder, you, primary action icon, navigation include index, navigation, locomotion, and script. Then hit play. Should be able to see in the console. TypeScript compilation started. Script execute. Should component started. Yeah. And then we'll need to actually shoot. Copy that. And, paste it there. This connect code block event. Well,
Thế chịu rồi. Thêm
gọi
thấy cũng
chắc là nào học nó gọi không à. Run the test. Chứ đừng đủ đâu này làm là chuyện. Look route. Where's the rifle? Over here. To the left. Probably for some reason it's okay. For some reason, the when I tested on the phone, preview on the phone, the rifle's not there. So maybe I need to publish it first before previewing.
ba cái này.
Go again.
Con là giữ lòng với ba.
Okay, yeah, so exactly I need to publish.
Con là giữ lòng với ba.
Walk up and I am tap the phone.
Con này chim không?
Có.
Thế thì đi vào con lốt này. Nu chọn nó đoạn là gì?
So this connect code block event is an entity. So it takes first the player and then has a callback. It has an event, and it has a target. So the target is just an entity. The event is a code block event, and it is on trigger, on index trigger down. And the callback, all right. And the callback take in a player and return a void. Cool. Alright, let me try to go test it. Jump to the rifle, sprint, quicker, pick it up, and is it how to actually shoot? Press A button on the screen. Like click the A button on the screen. Where's the A button? I don't get it. Okay. So on in the editor, left click, gonna make it fire. Left click. So you see, 25. All right, add projectile launcher to the rifle. You now have the rifle that you can pick up and carry around, but it doesn't actually do anything. Select the rifle after focus and click the build button from the top down menu, and appear the select gizmo. Select projectile launcher. Projectile launcher gizmo appear in the scene, and in the hierarchy press F while the object is selected. Bring the object to focus. Close the build gizmo panel. Attach the projectile launcher to the rifle by making it a child of the rifle. In the hierarchy, drag the projectile launcher and drop it onto the rifle. The projectile launcher should appear indented in the hierarchy. Since it's now child object of rifle object, yes. With the projectile launcher selected in the hierarchy, position it relative to the rifle. Adjust the position values of projectile so it aligns with the aim of the rifle. Select this adjustment and setting. Ensure that the projectile launcher appears at the front of the rifle and that projectiles fire in the forward direction. Additionally, to make the projectiles easier to see, adjust the scale and trail length scale based on your preference. Everything now hooked up. Let's edit the code to make the rifle interactive. Yeah. So in this step, we'll need to add the projectile. So it asks me to go to this build, and then gizmos. So in build we have shape, gizmo, sound, collider, empty object sublevel. And what is launch my horizon creation? What's that? It doesn't show full text, so I don't know. Okay. So gizmos we have trigger, zone, mirror, text, spawn point, door, environment, dynamic light, static light, draw effects, particle effects, sound record request, wheel leaderboard, projectile launcher, snap destination, writecast, debug console, custom UI, NPC, after post, navigation, volume. Yeah, a bunch of stuff. Select projectile launcher, and then put it as a child of the rifle, I think. Oh, test. Alright, so drag it in, make it a child of the rifle, and is this position relative or is it relative or absolute? Oh yeah, it is relative. That is great. The view move. Oh, what? Hmm. Is where uh, is where whenever I want to drag it out, I just select this ground. All right. I may need to adjust it using. I wish I could drag the value here, just like Unity. One. No. Yep. Maybe Z1. Yeah. So 1.5. No, 1.7. Yep. Select the scale and travel length. Here's a scale. Travel length scale. It has a behavior, a speed, it has collision, all player except the owner. What is this? I cannot resize the panel. So some of the text is hidden. Hover on it doesn't show anything. So what is this feature? Is dot 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 something? I don't know. Window object. Oh, object collision. All objects except launcher group. Player collision, object collision, static collision, gravity, scale, traverse length. Change that. Doesn't do anything with the object itself. This scale 02 doesn't do anything. What is this? Oh, okay. There's a color. Entry position, scale, color. All right. To use the projectile launcher, you need to references in your script. Update the should class prop definition with the props definition with the following statement. Should extend component type of should props definition. launcher type, horizon prop types entity. I don't understand that. So add the statement to start function that creates a reference to the project type launcher gizmo. Store a reference to the project type gizmo in the launcher gizmo variable. Launcher gizmos is equal to this prop launcher adds horizon projectile launcher gizmo. With a reference to the launcher's gizmos, you can call a function on it. Launch projectile to launch the projectile whenever you pull the trigger. And a statement just before the start function that adds a property for holding the launcher option. The launcher options is launch problem option speed 50. Add a statement to unindex trigger down event for launching the projectile. So we'll call the launcher gizmo launch. This change made it so that when the rifle is created, you hook it up to the trigger. But now this event asks the projectile launcher gizmo to launch a projectile instead of just printing boom.
Yeah.
Save it. Select the rifle object and then scroll down to the sweep option. This is that. Now a launcher property. You can set this property appears because you added it to the prop definition in your script. You might have to deselect and then reselect the rifle object if this new property doesn't appear. This set this launcher property to projectile launcher. Click on the field beside launcher, then select projectile launcher from the list that appears. Preview your world, click enter preview mode, walk to rifle, grab it, and click the mouse button. And what happens does not appear to come out of the rifle when you pull the trigger. Next, you update your script to accumulate points whenever the player hits the target. Exit preview mode by pressing escape. Count on our. So next step is to create the scripts. Let's go to the code. And then in the code we'll do. Okay, this prop definition is already there, but now we add probably called launcher and define a type. And this is prop type. Okay. And this is entity. Default no. Then in start create a reference to projectile launcher gizmo. Here we call what store a reference to the projectile gizmo in the launcher gizmo property. And let launcher gizmo is equal to this prop launcher okay, the auto completion is as oh wow, I think some of you are not seeing the code. Need to update that from here. Live share. Leave the session and join again. Okay. And oh well, you guys are not seeing the right code. Code, let's get where is the code? Okay, right here. Launcher gizmo is this prop launcher as converted to AC dot projectile launcher gizmo. So we convert that property into a launcher projectile launcher gizmo. With the reference to launcher gizmo, you can call a function on it, which is the launch projectile function to launch a projectile whenever you pull the trigger. Add a statement just before the start function that adds a property for holding the launch option. Add the statement just before the start function adds properties for holding the launcher. So from here there's launcher options. Option. It will be the launch projectile option. Launch projectile option equal speed 50. Then in the statement on trigger, we not only console log, but we'll also call the launch gizmo and launch we'll check if it's had launch. No, launch projectile function is not there. Launch. Save it, go back to the testing. Run. Pick it up. Oh, we haven't attached the scripts yet, so go back to rifle. Down here, need a script, need a launcher, and in the launcher will search for projectile launcher. Okay. And then we should be able to shoot E. Yep. And publish. Confirm. Change the thumbnail. Let's get this one and change the thumbnail. Snipping tool, save. save this to download to pictures to download, and then just, Halloween thumbnail. Save it, then I could take a photo right here. This is pretty convenient. Take a photo, looks good, publish, confirm. And then preview in the phone. Okay, sprint and how to sprint. Alright, pick it up. And then what is this? How to shoot. Okay. It doesn't shoot in the right direction. Okay, good. So today we cover the Meta 500 millions fund for building Horizon World. We have tried the Horizon World desktop editor. We have followed the tutorials, the first part and the second part. So we have published it. We have tested on phone, on web, VR, not really. And everything is working fine except several hiccups. But overall experience is pretty easy to build a game in Meta Horizon World up until now. So we'll keep exploring this later on.